Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your first time joining us. Karibu sana. My name is Chef Janet. Just don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Do it. Smash the subscribe button and tap the notification bell right beside so that every time I have a simple recipe, you are instantly notified on the same. So today I have this amazing recipe making this masala peanuts. Very delicious. You just can't afford not to try this. Let's get cooking. So my ingredients today, I have 1 cup of peanuts. You can just use the small red peanuts or even the big ones. The big ones are okay. And then you'll have some water here, some pure water. We have some gram flour right here. We have some turmeric, a half teaspoon, and I have some bit of yellow food color. And then we have some ginger powder, and then we also have some garlic powder, a half teaspoon each. And then we also have some cinnamon, a half teaspoon, and some salt to taste. So to start, I'm going to add in my gram flour to my dish that I'll be using to mix all this. And then I'm going in with all my spices. With all my spices, I have ginger and garlic, cumin, and the salt. The salt I've just remained a little bit. You can see I've not added all of it, so that is okay. I'm going to try to bring this to a mix to form a thick paste. So guys, you can see my paste is coming together nicely, and now it is looking perfect. So I'm just going to be adding my groundnuts, and I'm going to bring this to a mix. So you should note that the groundnuts are raw. Okay, I have not fried the groundnuts. The groundnuts are very raw. Okay, then you're going to give this a stir, and you have to be gentle because we don't want to break the groundnuts. Okay, so you have to be very gentle. Just bring this to a stir and make sure that every groundnut is coated with the paste perfectly. I'm telling you, this masala peanuts, you can't just get enough of them. You'll be carrying some as you walk maybe to your workplace for break time. It's just very nice, very delicious. So once they are well combined, now you are just going to fry this into your cooking oil. So guys, I've finished mixing my groundnuts in my paste, and they are perfectly coated. So now my oil is already heated up in my pan, and now I'm going to be adding my groundnuts. So I always think that adding 1 groundnut at a time will help them to cook well, so that they just don't cook in bunches. So make sure you just add a groundnut at a time. Then you have to be very careful. Your heat has to be on low. So my groundnuts are done perfectly, and they have browned really well. You can see it is appearing one by one. So I'm just going to put them in my kitchen towel so that they can release their excess oil. So you see, the secret is adding 1 or 2 by 2, so at least you separate them before they become so hard, because remember we have used ground flour. So these nuts are crazy. I'm telling you, they are very tasty. They're just packed with flavors. You just can't get enough eating this. You can eat, I don't know, a whole kg alone, just alone. This is very delicious. I think you should really try this one of these fine days. And don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section of how yours turned out. And now it's time to test our groundnuts. Let's see how our taste bud just responds to this. These groundnuts are very mouth-watering, very tasty. I mean, you just need to try this. So what you do, just grab the ingredients in the description box and let's get cooking. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.